Question for you. What are the chances of you winning here in this competition sa tingin mo?
See, this is just pure conjecture po. Pero we should differentiate probability and possibility. So, assuming that there are 64 competitors where there can only be one winner, then that would leave me with siguro 1.5625 possibility. But not all possibilities have the same weight, so the probability can change based on external factors. But you know what, Tony? The fact that I'm here makes me feel like a winner, and the fact that I can bring forth my advocacies makes me feel like a winner already. So thank you.
Wow, spoken like a true winner. Grabe yun ha. Kim, mag-aaral ulit tayo.
Tagalogin natin. Tagalogin mo daw yun, Ate Jones.
Ang sabi niya, gagalingan daw niya talaga. Well, maraming salamat sa iyo, Joaquim. We're looking
I was making it about her. It was your moment.
Because emotions are running high, I have this golden opportunity po. Siguro because of everything that went down, nagka-problema ngayon at nag-umaaway si Yam Yam, si Marie, at saka si Ape. But siguro this is my golden opportunity.
Maybe it was like a moment of jealousy.
But
She's jealous because you got your dream and she...
parang hindi naman ganun.
I was adding fuel to the fire and now everything's collapsing. Everything's boiling down just as I planned. So I feel happy right now because it's my golden opportunity for the 30.
Di ako umalis niya.
Wait lang.
Si Ape nagpaiwan muna sa garden area.
Sa kalagitnaan, kuya, naubos din, kuya, kasi parang wala na kami pong may bato. Parang lulungkot po ako, kuya, kasi baka hindi maano, kuya. Magbukas po.
Habang break time si Joaquim may suggestion naman.
I feel like I can maybe get them to laugh. Like, if I have like 2 or 3 minutes, tapos try lang na ako lang mag-isa doon. Tapos maybe you can try. Kasi yung principle dyan ay if they keep hearing the same voice over and over, they'll get tired of hearing.
Hindi ako pwedeng umalis doon.
Mahal ko si Ape po at gusto ko na matupad niya din yung mga pangarap niya. From a strategic standpoint naman, going back to my roots, I'm more than just my intelligence quotient. I turned my potential into kinetic energy po. At isang bahagi kung paano ko yan mapapakita ay yung sa pagtulong sa task po at sa halubilo sa ibang tao sa isang high pressure situation katulad ng ganyan.
Kupitan, kinamusta ni Kuya ang voice. Once I put on 15.5,